Hello YouTube, this is K1K13, and today I will be reviewing Jolyne SAS, manufactured by Medicos. Jolyne Cujoh, daughter of JoJo's Cujoh, spoiler alert. Comes with 7 hands, and then little strings. Head she got on already, and extra head. So I bought this off this website called Buy, and said it was supposedly new, so definitely looks brand new. Unlocking stand. Got her strings. They look kind of funky. They look like what do you call those? To get a horse. I forgot what they're called. A manual that I'm pretty sure 100% of people in the United States probably don't even. They probably go like this. Get rid of that thing. Here she is. Look at that. Sick. I honestly don't know even how to take this plastic off. You got a little star there. If you're part of the family, everybody has that star. She seems pretty flexible though. I know a lot of people complain about the cape, which is understandable, I guess. But it seems like a good posable figure though. A little kick in here and there. As for the hand, you got the 2 fingers. You know what that means. So I ended up getting this and her stand called Stone Free, and 3 hands. Oh, 3. Damn, I don't even know from left and right and stuff. So I got 2 left hands and 3 right hands, and then 1 on the right hand, and then the one on her. Then her head, extra head. I guess this is her serious face. She doesn't look that serious though. She got like a little eyebrow. Looks like they got drawn on by some makeup. She got little buns on the top. They always come. The heads always come with the. So they do have a winter festival of Jolyne Cujoh, but she's mainly pink. But the price on those are insane. So I'll just stick with the basic, colors. For me, I usually just store the accessories in like just a little baggie. I feel like you could do other things, but for me this is easiest. A lot of people are scared, like by storing it in these, you might scratch the paint on stuff, on like the hands. But for me, I don't really care about the face. Like, as long as that doesn't get scratched, that should be good. I mean, this is just one of the cheapest ways to store stuff, so it's fine with me. You can either get like a cabinet or something like that to store those in. And that's the end of the video, guys. Have a good one.
Hello, my name's Penny. I think people shouldn't do drugs. Recess is good. Hamsters are good.
Birthday parties are real good. Drugs are bad. I wouldn't do drugs.
I'm the greater of two evils, dropping knowledge like acid. This ain't college, I'm passing. Apollo 18, we lasted in an aircraft. Savard's an artist, I ought to be bipartisan. Arguing, nothing getting past the draft. Audibly